This is Science Printer, and in this lesson you will learn how to skip blank rows and delete them in Excel. A Microsoft Excel spreadsheet with blank rows is a frequent occurrence. The majority of them are superfluous and they take up extra space on the worksheet. This is unnecessary. As a result, you might wish to skip those blank rows for your spreadsheet. Fortunately, Microsoft Excel offers several options for skipping those blank rows from your spreadsheet. When you paste data you've copied in Microsoft Excel, content in the destination cells is automatically overwritten. To best illustrate how to skip blanks when you paste in Excel, you can do following steps. Select the range that you want to copy. If you paste it directly, each blank cells will be copied. Use the Paste Special Skip Blanks option and Excel will not override existing values with blanks. Copy the range and right-click, and then click Paste Special. In the Paste Special dialog box, check Skip Blanks and then click OK. You can see that blank cells are not pasted. In another case, I want to remove blank rows in my table. It's time-consuming and hard if I do it manually, especially for big tables. Let's follow the steps below to skip blank rows. Select Go to dialog box in the Editing tab on the Final select. In the reference, enter the range of cells. For example, I choose A2 to D19. Then select a Special button and check the blanks. As you can see, blank rows are selected and you can delete them. Use Ctrl- together to open Delete dialog box. After selecting entire row, click OK. You can see that all empty rows were deleted. Thank you for liking this video and subscribe our YouTube channel for the latest videos.